Very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome to the science class. Let us begin with our new chapter, that is clothes and fibers. So, children, in very ancient time, men did not have any clothes. He used animal skin, leaves, and bark of trees to cover his body. Gradually, he learned the skill of weaving and stitching clothes. But nowadays, there is clothing not only to protect but also to decorate ourselves. So, children, can you tell me why the clothes are so important to us? Why do we wear clothes daily? This is because clothes are one of the basic needs of humans. We all need clothes as they protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, and insects. We look smart and cultured when we wear clothes suitable for season and occasion. Now let us see how the clothes are prepared. Clothes are prepared with the help of fibers. Now what are fibers? Fibers are the thread-like structures which are used to make long and continuous threads called yarn, and these yarns are woven into fabric which is then used to make stitched clothes for us. So this is the simple way in which our clothes are prepared. Now can you tell me which clothes do we wear in summer? We wear cotton clothes in summer. We wear clothes according to the season to protect us. In summer, people prefer to wear light and loose clothes which can absorb sweat. Okay, children, white or light colored clothes reflect the hot rays of sun and keep the body cooler. That is why we wear these light clothes in summer. Okay, children. Now in winter, people like to wear thick and woolen clothes. Wool does not allow body heat to escape and thus keep the body warm. That is why people wear woolen clothes. People often wear dark colored clothes as they absorb heat and keep them warm. So now you know why do we wear thick and woolen clothes in winter? Now let us talk about rainy season. In the rain, we use a raincoat with hat or an umbrella to protect our body from getting wet. The raincoat or umbrella is made up of waterproof cloth or plastic. We also wear gum boots in the rainy season. Okay, children? Now let us talk about different kinds of clothes. Different types of clothes are based on season, special job, occasion, protective uniform, and decorative. Okay, children? So, people living in different regions wear different types of clothes depending on the climate and the tradition of the country or region. The dress of a people, the dress of a person living in Himachal Pradesh is different from the dress of a person living in Kashmir. Okay, children. So, dresses are different according to the region and climate. Okay. They differ in color, fabric, everything. Okay, children. So, the national dress of India for women is sari and for men it is kurta pajama or dhoti. People also wear different types of clothes for special work. For example, a doctor, policeman, nurse, they wear different types of clothes according to their profession. Even school children have uniform. You also, when you go to school, you wear a school uniform. So we all have different we all wear different kind of clothes according to the occasion, special job, or for protection. Okay. Men and women and children wear attractive clothes at parties, picnics, weddings, and festivals. We all are fond of new and fashionable clothes. Yes, children, do you like to wear new and good clothes? Yes, we all like it. Now, let us talk about fibers. There are two types of fibers, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. So, what are natural fibers? Natural fibers are obtained from natural sources like plants and animals. Plants and animals are the main source of natural fiber for clothes. Okay, children, we get fiber like wool, silk, and fur from animals. And cotton, jute, and linen are obtained from plants. So, these are some of the natural fibers: cotton, silk, and wool. Now, let us talk about synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are made by humans. These are man-made. Okay, children? They are made artificially. So, these synthetic fibers are nylon, rayon, and polyester. These fiber clothes are waterproof, stretchable, and dry quickly. And these fabrics do not absorb the sweat of the body. Okay, children. So now let us talk about footwear. Socks and shoes protect our feet from heat, cold, and sharp objects like thorn and broken glass, dust, germs, and worms. We should use comfortable shoes of correct size. We should always use the shoes of correct size. Okay, children, we should not wear wet socks and wet shoes. This may damage our skin. Okay.